Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Qapital app in your device. Qapital is a mobile application designed to help users save money through a gamification of their spending behavior. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Qapital. There you can see Qapital Set and Forget. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Qapital app to help you with your finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.